the top news headlines. Major tragedy averted, powerful IED defused on Imphal-Ukhrul Road. And World Health Organization says new coronavirus outbreak pandemic issues grim warning. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television News Today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai with the news in detail. A powerful improvised explosive device IED weighing around 5 kg was 7:30 a.m. at Sejong Village along Imphal-Ukhrul Road under Yangang Pokpi Police Station. According to police reports, an Assam Rifles road opening party ROP team informed Manipur Police CID Technical and Bomb Disposal Squad team after they found a suspicious object, which later turned out to be an IED. The bomb was later defused at 10:40 a.m., the report said. The World Health Organization has called the new coronavirus outbreak a pandemic, issuing a grim warning that the global spread and severity of the illness was due to alarming levels of inaction. The number of cases across the globe has risen to more than 124,000, with 4,500 deaths, including a jump in fatalities, particularly in Iran and Italy, according to reports. The majority of cases have been in China, where the outbreak first emerged in December, but as the new number of infections has steadied in the country, hotspots have emerged elsewhere, namely Italy, Iran and Spain. The head of the UN's top health body for the first time characterized the outbreak as a pandemic, meaning it is spreading in several regions through local transmission. Signs of a widening European crisis emerged yesterday, with Ireland, Albania, Belgium, Sweden and Bulgaria registering their first deaths, while Italy clocked more than 2,300 new cases in the last 24 hours, and infections in Spain jumped by a quarter to move more than 2,100. With 13 more cases, the total number of confirmed cases in India has climbed to 73 today. In the wake of coronavirus scare, India has suspended all visas except a few categories such as diplomatic and employment till April 15. The government also strongly advised Indians to avoid all non-essential travel abroad. Donald Trump has meanwhile suspended all travel from Europe, excluding UK, to the US for the next 80 days. The number of coronavirus cases in over 100 countries around the world has risen to more than 124,000, with over 4,500 deaths, including a jump in fatalities in Iran and Italy. The new coronavirus outbreak was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization. Manipur Police has stepped up measures to prevent untoward incidents in Imphal city during the 5-day-long Yaoshang festival. Imphal West and Imphal East Police have been conducting drives against use and sale of drug and other intoxicants. They are also taking up action against violators of traffic rules in various parts of the city.
Aduga gari kanna thauba siguma traffic violation mayam su khoi drive kanna chathajari adugi mathakta koina harau kumai se khara hojik leiriba kaino sida khara su rik tawre permission piba recommendation piba da DC ki permit lawrakpada koina yamna scrutiny tawraga daina khara handale masimangna hojik phawdi pamdaba thawtok yam kanna thokpagi hojik phaw leijatri loina nungdang se round the clock khoi police ki presence to ulaga thabal festival toribasi karimta ate kai tawdana hojibauti fajana kodum security mong tana thamaga khoi kana honajari.
A day after joining the BJP, Jyotiraditya Scindia met Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh this morning. Shah expressed confidence that Scindia's induction will further strengthen the BJP's resolve to serve the people of Madhya Pradesh. Scindia also paid a courtesy visit to Rajnath Singh at his residence in New Delhi. A day after quitting the Congress, Scindia joined the BJP yesterday in the presence of its President J.P. Nadda and slammed his former party for denying reality and not acknowledging new thoughts and new leaderships as per media reports. Scindia has been named as the BJP's Rajya Sabha candidate from Madhya Pradesh. Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chapan marifom do ki hong chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi Info Center mahang-jere TV amadi phone gi konjel loinana nil pum na tabang ngam awar mai na di bina al kuding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga si makleng directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabang ngam gi pangalwa na badong gi khang chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Manipuri University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam lamjingbatomtv Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBA ni. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawbiyo.
Adom ki angang na school da kari tawri oza na kari takpiri yum dagi amadi office dagi yamna line live class yengba yaraba status agi ahanba school and day care tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure. Healthy breakfast and lunch at school. Highly qualified and caring staff. Creative activities and educational games. Interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliaima.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1 within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2 outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3 outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 180010275959 or 8794613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Welcome back after the break. A one-day awareness program on coronavirus was held yesterday at A.L. Amin School, Juribam, organized by Legal Aid Clinic, Sonapur. Doctors and medical staff of Juribam attended the program. Medical officers of Community Health Center, Juribam, Dr. Walibia Khanam and Dr. R.K. Elena spoke on novel coronavirus outbreak, its symptoms and basic preventive measures during the program. Senior citizens, local representatives, members of civil society organizations, and students also attended the awareness program. Springshot-based watershed development project was launched at Buanrong Taudaizeng village of Nonei district yesterday. The program was organized by Development and Relief Department, Rongmei Naga Baptist Association, RNBA, under the sponsorship of NABARD Manipur Regional Office. RNBA Development and Relief Department Secretary Dimngonglung Rongmei, Navart Nonei Tamenglong and Juribam DDM-P Boicha were present during the launch program. Dimdonglung Rongmei said that this project will benefit the villagers. He sought support from the people to make it a successful project. A one-day awareness camp cum demonstration of field testing kit and hand wash demonstration was held at Jadonang Memorial College, Lomai, Nonei District Headquarters. This program was a part of Poshan Pakwada 2020. The program was organized by District Water and Sanitation Committee, DWSC, PHED Nonei Division, and District Administration, Nonei. Executive Engineer PHED Ibocho Singh, Member ADC Nonei Circle, Zino Kame, Principal Jadonang Memorial College, Lomai, Kwigay Kame, Secretary Lomai Bazaar Board, Namthongong Kame, and President Lomai Youth League, Kanebuan Doangmei, attended the event. Moreh town, which borders Myanmar, is facing multiple problems, including price hike after the government sealed Indo-Myanmar border in view of the coronavirus pandemic across the globe. The Indo-Myanmar border has been sealed as a precautionary measure against COVID-19, the Manipur government had said. In a press release, the Meitei Council, Moreh warned all business establishments in Moreh against price hike of essential commodities. The Supreme Court today refused to accord urgent hearing on a plea seeking postponement of Indian Premier League IPL 2020 amid the coronavirus scare. A vacation bench of Justices U. Lalit and Aniruddha Bose told the petitioner that he could mention the matter for urgent listing before the regular bench on March 16, when the apex court will reopen after the Holi break. Agarwal told the bench that IPL 2020 is scheduled to start from March 29, but no safety measures have been declared to prevent the spread of coronavirus during the matches, which are likely to witness over 40,000 spectators, according to media reports. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Teenager Lakshya Sen impressed on his All-England Open debut as the Indian shuttler defeated world number 18 Lee Chok-yu of Chinese Taipei to progress to the second round in Birmingham yesterday. However, there were no major disappointments for India as Saina Nehwal, Sai Praneeth and Kidambi Srikanth's All-England Open 2020 campaigns ended as early as the first round. Star shuttler PV Sindhu, though, progressed to the second round yesterday with a comfortable win. Lakshya lost the first game 17-21, but managed to make a strong comeback to take the match 17-21, 21-8, 21-17. Lakshya started the first game well with a 7-4 lead, but Lee clawed back and ran away with the lead. Lakshya Sen, who stunned Asian Games champion Jonathan Christie at Badminton Asia Team Championships in February, will take on second seed and former world champion Victor Axelsen in the second round of the prestigious tournament. Now the top news headlines once again. Major tragedy averted, powerful IED defused on Imphal Ukhrul Road. And World Health Organization says new coronavirus outbreak pandemic issues grim warning. That is all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.